What is this bird doing? How come I never see crow do this before and make that sound? Is he choking? He doesn't seem like he's doing very well. Does anybody know? Is that a normal thing? Because I have crows that live by me and I've never had one do this. Up, 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 up. It sounds like he's sick. I think he has the virus. You got the virus, bird? You got the RSVP or the influenza? You got the bird flu, bird? Hey, bird. You do? Are you saying yep, yep, yep? I've got the bird flu. Up, up. Oh, that jet going by looks cool. Look, bird, jet. Yeah. Thank you. You are all well. Tim's happy.